Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today we will discuss about the international entrepreneurship. Okay, all about the international entrepreneurship, and this is a very important topic in exam point of views and the general awareness also. In engineering exam and MBA exam and other exams, these questions are very much asked in all the examinations. So it's very important. So our topic is international entrepreneurship. Okay, first of all, international entrepreneurship means this and this answer is according to their questions. Okay, what do you mean by international? International means it's normally international means the our outside our country boundary. It's called international, like other country. Okay, so how to business in other country? Let's see. Okay, the nature of entrepreneurship. First of all, what is the nature of entrepreneurship? This is a very important question. Okay, first of all, we will learn about this PDF and then I will simplify your doubt. Okay, the international entrepreneurship is the process of entrepreneurs conducting business activity across the national boundary. Across the national boundary means our Indian boundary. Across the national boundary means other country. Okay, it may be consist of exporting license, opening of sale object office in another country is called international entrepreneurship. This is a very simple definition of an international entrepreneurship. Okay, and now we will go about the business activity of the conduct about the national boundary. International entrepreneurship mode may be trade, transfer, and investment mode. Okay, why we why you need the international business? Because in some cases, for example, some in our country some materials is banned to banned and not available, then we will go in international and make their product. Okay, it's very useful because international relations is very useful for any business. Okay, not only simple business, all the business international. And international entrepreneurship means not only you can business like product. You, if you are invested in international business, then it is also known as the international entrepreneurship. Okay, now international entrepreneurship mode may be trade, transfer, and investment mode. Okay, this is the investment mode. I will already discuss about the investment mode. Okay, four, international entrepreneurship involves access of the multi-country culture, language, and normal value of belief and social structures. Okay, its need to understand of different country political and legal entrepreneurship. It need to understand the different economical system on strategy of the economical development. What what do you mean by these points? Okay, I will simplify these points. For example, in international there is some in our domestic area and international area some is very different. In international business then is very many conditions, like we will learn about the other places also. Because suppose in England one product is coming, one company in England he's giving the product of India, then this product is all over the India, all over the going India in other religions. Which product is very much useful and which product is sold very much in one place, and suppose this product is suppose this pen is by this area is very exporting, but this area is not selling anybody. This is a very much problem, because that is why in international boundary we will learn about the how in a customer mindset also, and how the product is different from different. Okay, this is a very important task. Okay, in international entrepreneurship is very challenges. Domestic is not challenges, because in domestic there is some area we cover, but international it's very difficult because in language barrier also are there. Okay, it needs to understand the different economical system. For example, in economical system here, for example here other tax are there, and some state the different tax are there, but international is very difficult. That is why international business is very, it's a strategical business, okay, and it need to understand the level of technology in different country, because some technology is very much different in other country. For example, in India, technological is very different to the other country, okay. Importance of international business. Uh, this is all about the international business. Now we will discuss about the importance of the international business to the game. Okay, this is a very important question. What is the, why we need to international business? Okay, first of all, this questions I will give one task for you. What you learned, then you ask what this the what question. Okay, why we need to इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस, हमें इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस क्यों चाहिए, सबसे बड़ा सवाल यही है कि हमें इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस क्यों चाहिए. हमें ये क्वेश्चन पहले खुद से पूछना है, उसके बाद हमें उसके मुताबिक हमें इसको आंसर देखना है, ठीक है. वाई वी नीड टू द इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस टू, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द पॉइंट इज इंक्रीजिंग सेल एंड प्रॉफिट. ओके, इंक्रीजिंग सेल एंड प्रॉफिट. For example, in increasing, we can increase the sale and profit in international business. Uh, for example, in domestic business, we can be used in only your area. Okay, only your area for domestic. But in international, you can go to the unlimited boundary. There is no limit. Then your product is famous. Then you you earn hundreds of millions. Earn, no limit, no limit. But in domestic, your product is very much good, but it's limited. You know, it's limited. That this is the very important thing in international business. Okay, low manufacturing cost. For example, in India, this pen. For example, we can be use this pen. Okay, for example, this pen is made in India in 5 rupees, but this pen is made in China in 2 rupees. Then which one is better? China is better. That is why some country has manufacturing cost is low, some country has manufacturing is high. We can learn, then we go to the other country. Okay, the low manufacturing cost, it's a very important point. In home country, manufacturing cost is more, but in foreign country the manufacturing cost is less. But not all the country. You can learn first. You can search. Okay, then you go to the other country. Okay, for example, and otherwise you can go in the other country, then this pen is more costly. It's very difficult. It's पहले आप सर्च करो कि कौन सा जगह में है, उसके बाद उसको रिसर्च करो. ओके, यू कैन देन यू गो टू द रिसर्च ऑफ दिस which country is less expanded and which country is more expanded. Okay, advantage of cheap labor. In international, many international countries, there is a cheap labor are found, but in our country the labor is very costly. It's very advantage point. Our utilization of talent and expansion of domestic market. Expansion of domestic market in international, it's very important, and very important point to international market is we can never limit any limit, no limit. You can go in anywhere, and by your product is good, then 100% you're buying very much, and your profit is very much, because it's not, it's a very expansion. Okay, utilization, globalization and customer. Globalization of competition is also competitor. Okay, the competitor is also high, because if this pen is made in China, but in local players is made other pen, but the local men is, many people are buy this pen, local pen, because he is know what what is we can use this pen, but he is not trusted this much. That is why you can be many. That is why the competitor is coming. Then how to arrive the competitor? First of all, you can learn the competitor. Okay, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप कंप्यूटर को देखो, उसको सीखो, उससे क्या क्या है वो, उसके बाद आप उसको जाके ये कम्पीट करो कि उसके पास ऐसा क्या है, उसके बाद उस अकॉर्डिंग आप एडवर्टाइजमेंट करो. ओके, देन यू गो टू द एडवर्टाइजमेंट ऑल्सो. Okay, expansion and diversity of business. Okay, these are very important point. Now it's very important question, and every exam this question is asking. Okay, in engineering exam is very much important. Okay, what is the question? Domestic entrepreneurship and international entrepreneurship. Okay, what is the domestic entrepreneurship and international entrepreneurship? First of all, some points like in exam you can write this idea because it's very uh, creative idea. Okay, first of all, country culture. Only country culture need to understood in domestic. For example, you can live in Delhi. Okay, in Delhi your domestic entrepreneurship and international entrepreneurship means you can in Apple phone, and in domestic you can be buy another phone. Okay, country first of all you learn about the country culture. Only country culture need to understood. Okay, but explore the very cultural environmental. In international entrepreneurship he learn many culture, because if you vision if you want to do business, then you can learn the many country cultures and many things. That is then we can go to the then we go to the uh, business. Okay, then risk involving low risk, and international entrepreneurship is high risk. All know that why this point is very important. Political and legal issue. Single country political and legal need to understood. Okay, he also already know, but in multiple country political legal and this is a very different. That is why you can learn everything. Okay, approach, national approach and international approach. Types of economical system. Entrepreneurship need to understood in economical condition within the country. Entrepreneurship need to be understood different in the according to the system communications and the market production. Language. Domestic country language are familiar to the entrepreneurship and need to translate it. But in international entrepreneurship, some language barrier are there. For example, in domestic area, the, uh, the in domestic area, for example, we can be go in Karnataka, and some example I will example in one milk Nandali milk. Okay, here's writing in Kannada language, but we can go in other country milk is coming, then they they not writing in the Kannada, it's writing in English. That is why the language barrier are there. It's very dark point in international entrepreneurship. Okay, then mindset, local mindset and global mindset. Multi knowledge. The knowledge is very limited in democratic. He's only knowledge in about the hard area, but in in international entrepreneurship has many knowledge about the other country also. Now we will go about the very important point. Okay, so this is our one second. Okay, so this is our point, and I will discuss in three questions. Now one very much important question I will discuss in next video. Please make sure you can learn this video and understand. Please understand this video. Okay, thank you.